Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something really exciting for you. We're going to walk you through the process of creating beautiful website using the Astra theme and adding an AI-powered slider with Depicter in no time. So buckle up. To kick off our website creation journey, we'll begin by installing the Astra theme. From WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Themes, click on Add New, and search for Astra. Once you've found it, install and activate the theme. Next, let's bring in a free template from Astra's starter templates. Choose the page builder you prefer. In this case, we'll opt for Elementor. Once you've made your selection, import the template. This one looks nice. Let's import it. We'll skip through these import steps. But if you wish, you can tailor your website's overall settings such as logo, colors, and fonts. And that's it. Let's view our website. With our website set up, let's enhance it by swapping out this section with an engaging slider. Here's how. From WordPress dashboard, access plugins, click on Add New, and search for Depicter. Install and activate it. Now, navigate to Depicter, select Add New, then click on Create Slider with AI. Let's start. Select a category. Let's go with Health and Medicine. Now, input your website's name and the number of slides that you want. The AI will generate some related keyword items. Pick the most relevant ones for your content. The AI will suggest headings, subheadings, content, and a bottom label for your first slide. Take a look and feel free to make any changes. You also get to choose a visually stunning image from related searches. The images are generated based on the phrase that you see here. Feel free to change this phrase to find more images. This part of setting is available for all the slides. After crafting your slides, select a layout template that fits your style and choose a color palette for your slider. Preview your slider. Looks great. If you want to make any further customization, you can click on Open in Editor. All set with your slider? Great! Now let's take it to your main page using Elementor. We're removing this section to place it with Depicter widget and select the created slider. And voila! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is anything else you'd like to learn. Until next time, Happy website building!